A budget, anyone's budget, Congress's budget, is a statement of our values. This budget is a one-sided budget. We've just finished a conference, and that is a term of art that I don't understand, I guess. There has never been any input from the chairman of the ranking member of our committee. There's been no input from anyone but the Republicans. They met with themselves in secret. There was no public debate at all on this terrible budget that they have given to the American public. If the American public knew what was in that budget, they would revolt. As one member said in the caucus today, if this were given to the American public, you couldn't get 10% of the American public who would agree with the budget that they've done.
But Republicans are going to now have to figure out a way, even if they come to an agreement, how to convince the American people that slashing funding for student loan repayment, making college less affordable, is going to help the middle class. They're going to have to explain to the middle class why they're cutting public safety funding, cancer research, infrastructure, other job-creating investments. They're going to have to convince the American people repealing Obamacare yet again is a good idea, and putting insurance companies back in charge of health insurance is a good idea, even though Obamacare has slashed the growth in health care costs. It's a tough case to make, and we're putting them on notice. Republicans are going to have to do all these things on their own. Republicans should be warned right here, right now. Democrats are not going to help you pass appropriations bills that lock in senseless, automatically triggered cuts that hurt the middle class. Instead, we'll be eager to work with our Republican colleagues to prevent those cuts from taking effect and restoring both defense spending and vital middle-class funding in an even way. $1 for defense, $1 for the middle class. We'll see what the appropriators will do. Are they going to try to enact this budget? Let them try. They won't even get most of the Republicans to vote for it. Republicans have mapped out a budget, but they should be absolutely clear their map won't lead them anywhere.